Next, you'll reach the Intelligence and Forensics section. CORAA has already prepared a complete intelligence report for this entity. You'll also see a full account analytics overview. For example, look at other expenses under the P and L. What are the other groups? You can see which groups are there, and each one can be broken down further. Are there any anomalies? In this case, there's a spike in March and another in June. When you click on the spike, you'll see the details for March. Normally, the amount runs around 22 to 25 lakhs, but in March, it's about 57 lakhs. You can click to break it down further. View it vendor-wise, and under each vendor, you'll see what's been additionally paid, including the exact voucher used. This is a journal entry voucher. You can take it and add it as a finding. You can add any voucher or ledger as a finding in CORAA with your own comments and flag it for review by your partner. Every flagged item automatically gets added to the findings section. Your whole team can add multiple findings across different areas. All of it will show up here. Every finding carries its respective voucher, so you know exactly which one got flagged. You'll also see a description explaining the reason. If you get supporting documents from the client, you can add them directly here. Findings can be resolved right in this section. Everything is timestamped, and there's a complete audit log from start to finish. Beyond dashboard view, you also get a detailed Excel you can download. Just click Exports, and it'll export the file for you. Once the file is exported, open it to see the full Excel report. You'll see how CORAA reviewed things month by month and what anomalies it identified. From here, CORAA also does a thorough ledger scrutiny. It analyzes every single ledger. For example, there might be 623 ledgers, 242 material ledgers, and 30 flagged for different reasons. You'll find a detailed methodology paper right here. It covers all the procedures used, like balance direction, classification, movement, spikes, concentration analysis, loan utilization, and more. CORAA will have identified the ledgers that need specific attention. In this case, there's a credit and an expense head. You can see exactly what CORAA has flagged. You can also view the exact voucher it flagged and add it to your findings. The ledger scrutiny file can be downloaded as an Excel file. You can open it and review everything at your own pace. The coverage is complete. 100% coverage means every ledger in the trial balance is reviewed and understood. For example, take a telephone charges ledger. CORAA will confirm there are 299 debits. It also summarizes what kind of transactions have happened. For example, this is a telephone expense ledger with a vendor concentration. CORAA also recommends the necessary document or queries that needs to be asked to the client. Transaction scrutiny is straightforward. CORAA checks every single transaction. You'll also find a materiality sweep covering all transactions. 100% of them are available here. CORAA applies simple rules and thresholds based on the materiality you set. For example, a cash receipt over 2 lakhs, a cash payment over 10,000, or cash used for a fixed asset purchase. You'll see everything CORAA has flagged under different risk categorization. Cash receipts over 10,000 come to 436. You can click on any of these. CORAA will have already flagged the specific ledger or voucher, and you can click on it to add it to your findings. Same process as before. Everything is downloadable as an Excel file. You can review everything end to end, including the rules and thresholds used and the full anomaly register. CORAA can also help with your journal entry analysis. You get a complete breakdown for each transaction. Things like weekend transactions, round amounts, year-end entries, duplicates, and reversals. Everything drills down to the voucher level, so you can add to your findings and keep going. CORAA can also handle OCR-based vouching. You can add a set of vouchers or a balance set. Say you want to add trade payables. Whatever you want to include in your vouching process, you can select those transactions, add those ledgers, and bring them in. Then just start vouching. Any documents you'd normally upload, CORAA will start identifying the lead files. It looks at the evidence available and starts mapping each one and sending it back to you. CORAA can also handle external verifications. For any verification you need from a third party, you'll be able to find the details here, add a contact, and run the external verification. Try CORAA today and experience the future of audit with AI that you can trust.